Everyone, I'm going to explain about overriding lifecycle methods. Basically, this is the inheritance feature of Angular 17. The Angular team introduced the lifecycle methods overriding. How to override? This is the great feature added in Angular 17. Say, if a base class define a lifecycle method such as ngOnInit, a child class that also implement ngOnInit override the base class implementation. If you want to preserve the base class lifecycle method, explicitly call the method with super. See, here is an example. He written the ListboxBase class. The first one is a ListboxBase class and second one is the CustomListbox class component. Basically, here is the two components. One is the base class and another one is the derived class. The base ListboxBase class basically define a property, protected property is initialized false. This one the default, and return a method ngOnInit. On ngOnInit we have set the initialization equal to true. Second custom listbox class extend to listbox base class, and here is override keywords using to override the ngOnInit, and in ngOnInit we use the super.ngOnInit. That means the inherited the listbox base class property in the custom listbox property. That is the overriding lifecycle method. This one is the basically inheritance feature of Angular 17. I hope you got about overriding lifecycle method and how to use the super keywords to inherit the base class method in the derived class method. Thank you. For the more details, I will add the link in the video description. So please explore the detail about this and comment if you want other detail. Then I will share the possible detail for you. Thank you.